Okay, so you won't see this. No, I can't see it because that's. Here's the end. Today is moving day, so it's a big day. We're gonna have so much going on today, so I need the high energy specifically from me. I feel like everyone's high energy but me right now. The movers are gonna be here honestly any minute now. They said between 8:30 and 9:30. Do not try to carry something that is heavy. These, if you were at the last house, you know these. These are the Bible of the house. We will be carrying these around everywhere. I have 4 of them, and basically they explain every single thing, where it goes in the house, what room it goes into, and how I kind of want it styled. We will definitely be missing things, so I'm sure we're gonna have to run to like Walgreens or Target a million times. It's part of it. Jenna is going to be our leader for all of this, so Jenna is the one who knows where everything is. Woo! So Jenna! Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my God.
No, it didn't get on, but I am dripping. Hold on.
Oh
You guys, I'm really struggling.
We should have one of those Kleenex things.
Oh my God. Okay, are we ready, everyone? Okay, wait, do we have
Another
a
SD card? Okay, but
Yeah, somewhere. BSO on 3. 1, 2, 3, BSO! Woo! Yeah. We have another delivery. Yeah, like we have all of that. I just want to make sure that they don't forget that that stuff is still in there. Yeah. And I can't wait to see those shutters changed because they're so ugly right now. They're in the garage? Yep, they're in the garage.
So I've never used this before, so we're gonna see if it works. Somebody very special had to do this job. I didn't choose the steaming life chose me, you know? I'm here to inspire people to reach for your dreams like a steamer.
I'm nervous because that light was supposed to be a black light, and now it's like so gold that this coffee table is also gold, and I just don't want it to be like
Too much gold.
obnoxious.
They are in like different areas.
They're like 6 feet away from each other. Wait a minute. This looks wrong. That's the wrong couch. Is that the wrong couch? Is that the wrong couch? That's green? I panicked. I don't think women can be colorblind. Women can't be colorblind.
Deep breath.
I was like, that's the wrong couch. I don't want leather couch. Ben! Ben's on his lunch break. I think it's becoming part of the pattern for him to come on his lunch break to the houses.
Yes, this is just about a year ago. We're doing the exact same thing. Still getting used to the cameras, clearly.
You're doing great, Abby.
I feel like it looks different every time I come in.
Yeah,
I know.
Show you.
They just got the wallpaper in.
Wait, have you seen it yet?
No, this is my first time. I think it looks extremely. I really like the couch.
Wait, you saw it before.
I did see it
tell
before.
You're acting.
But,
Okay, honestly.
I like the.
No, isn't the couch amazing?
Yeah,
though?
the couch is amazing.
We might steal these chairs for our house.
Jeez.
And this.
Kind of a low sit.
Well, go sit in it.
I might have to do some
if you ever
stretches
complain
before I
about
get all the way
free
down.
furniture, I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah, it's low for me.
Bro, these are sponsored. He's shit talking these chairs right now.
Who sponsored them?
Kathy Quo.
Oh. Well, Kathy Quo probably doesn't cater to the 6'4" gentleman. It looks awesome in here. I like the colors that you picked out a lot better with all the furniture.
And then once we get drapes in here, I feel like the drapes are
Yeah.
really gonna change the space.
For sure. Oh, that couch rolls too.
Yeah, go sit in that couch.
It
is
looks
so,
really comfy.
so comfortable.
Yeah, this has been approved right here. This is a good napping couch.
You could definitely take a nap on that thing.
Yeah, for sure. And I like the built-in pillow on the side here. This is awesome, so.
Thanks. This bathroom looks great.
Yeah, that bathroom looks great too. Hey, how's it going? How was Europe?
Wait, I want to show you the living room.
I've been thinking about these moments for the past 8 months, and I'm just feeling really, really lucky with where I've built this business and where I've built my life to be.
Sophie's clearly grown a lot. She actually has a really good understanding of what she's doing versus the first house where you're definitely figuring it out. The team has been
amazing.
So good for her, and definitely a big step from the last house. It's been an amazing journey seeing how you've grown in this last project, and I'm just so excited to see this house finally wrap up in the next week.
Once it wraps up, it's wedding time.
Then it's wedding time, and then you can move on to the next one.
Yeah.
The house looks so good, like so good. I haven't seen it since the walls were red, the floors weren't done. It looks really good.
It's been a great day. I feel like energy's been high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the music blaring.
Music's blaring.
Yeah. How big of a risk is this actually now?
Well, I mean,
feel like
it's a $1
there's more
million
benefits.
house. Like, we have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars into this. So if it wouldn't sell, that's, problematic.
When Sarah and I were getting drinks, we were talking about how lucky you guys are that I feel like everyone you work with is so great. Like Eric
So
is
nice.
just
Yeah,
so
everyone's
great.
so great.
Ben,
They're good people, but they're
just
also
good
really
people.
good at what they do.
Yeah, the movers, you know?
Yeah.
Like, one of the biggest compliments people can give me when they're walking through is, wait, did you change that or was that there?
I can't even picture the kitchen, what it was.
Oh, it was so outdated. I don't even remember where the range was before.
I just remember the paint. Like, I just remember the paint was so bad.
The arches are my favorite in the house.
Yeah,
That's like one of
open
my
that
favorite
up.
details.
The wallpaper rooms, oh my gosh, the wallpaper rooms just make me want to like melt.
So good.
The basement.
That's
the
because we had a
basement.
huge argument about the basement.
There was a huge argument about the basement.
I'm shocked at how much I love the living room.
I think that you're really solidifying like the whispers of like, oh, she's good, but can she do it again?
Yeah.
Wow.
She
So many
can.
whispers.
Jeez. I think more this house made me realize like what I want out of my career. And I am so proud of each and every one of us. We're all very independent. I love that it feels like we're going to work with our friends every day. And that is something that I never want to give up. I've gotten a lot more confident in the process and realized we are really smart with business, and having a lot of savings and being able to take risks like this and not have to make money on this because we've set it up in a way where it can lead to so many other things. The Sophomore House is done and it feels incredible. I was so worried that I was gonna be a one-hit wonder. Walking through this house, every single room is so spot on. The kitchen is the heart of this home. We have the beams going through the cabinets to make them look like they've always been there. The slate flooring with the green cabinets and the brass, I mean, every material just works together so beautifully. Immediately when you walk into this house, you turn into the living room / dining room, anchoring that table with that beautiful light, plus the furniture and the drapes. It is just such a classic, but also trendy moment. This has been one of the busiest years of my entire life and will probably be one of the busiest years I will ever have. There are so many people that were involved in this house that made it come to life, and it felt like a family every time I came in here. And this is exactly what I was trying to create with my projects. The primary bedroom is such a moment. We copied the side nook and closet area and had them replicated on the other side. This made the room a lot more symmetrical. The owner's bathroom is small, but she's mighty, with the wall paneling, the marble baseboards. That vanity is just absolutely stunning. Everything combines so beautifully. One of the biggest things that I was up against when buying this home was that there was only one bathroom upstairs. So I ended up placing it in between the two kids' bedrooms, and it truly feels like it should have always been that way. We transformed the existing dining room into the new family room, and we opened up the doorway into this beautiful grand archway, which made the kitchen feel just so much more open and a part of the home. The Sophomore House, I think out of everything, was more of a prove it moment for me. And I think that I did prove to myself that I can do this again, and I proved to all the people around me. And that's been a really exciting part of finishing up the Sophomore House. There were so many moments when I was going into college and in college when I felt so weird and I felt like everyone was judging me and that this was the end of the world. But I made choices to accomplish my goals, and if I did what everyone else is doing, I wouldn't be here right now. I'm only 25 and I have so much more to learn, and the foundation that I have set for myself and for BSL as a business, I truly could not be more proud of. BSL has a lot coming up. We're taking a short hiatus, and then I will be back for the next house. All right, are we done? Woo! Another house done. Thank you guys so much. I'm out of here.